RDR-4000 system consists of a transmitter-receiver, antenna drive assembly, a radar processor, and a control panel. The system is configured to use the pre-existing cockpit display for weather and terrain presentation. Given the complexity of the RDR-4000, misdiagnosis of flight deck effects often result in no fault found or NFF outcome of shop repair activities. Troubleshooting this system is simple when using the front panel LCD display on the radar processor. Follow these steps to interrogate the radar processor's fault memory to determine the faults that occurred during the previous flight legs or during ground operations. First, ensure all safety precautions are adhered to per aircraft OEM standards, and power is applied to the radar system. Shown here is the typical main menu screen. The Select button is on the right, while the Scroll button is located on the left. To view faults that may have occurred during flight, pre-flight, or post-flight, select Fault Record from the main menu screen. Next, to see what faults may have occurred during the previous flight legs, select Flight Faults. To view details of flight faults, select the flight leg for which the fault occurred. Note these faults. We will look up their details later in this video. In some cases, the faults may have occurred on the ground. To view these types of faults, navigate back up the display menu tree until you can select Current Faults. From here, you can see what faults may have occurred during system test or on the ground. Now that you know what fault codes have been stored in the radar processor, we can go to the Line Maintenance Manual, or LMM, to see what the best methods for troubleshooting are. From the LMM, type Ctrl F on your keyboard to open the Find function in the PDF. Type in your noted fault code in the window and strike the Enter key on your keyboard. Table 1015 displays all of the bit operational codes that could occur in the RDR-4000. As you can see, your noted fault code will display which LRU reported the fault name, fault description, radar system action, and the most probable cause of the fault. Here are some helpful hints. Save the Line Maintenance Manual to your local hard drive for quicker access. To move back up the LCD menu tree, depress the Scroll button and the Select button at the same time. Figure 1003 in the Line Maintenance Manual displays the menu tree in a graphical format. This will help you navigate the menu tree. Technical Publications website also has other information, such as service bulletins, service letters, a pilot's guide, and a pocket troubleshooting guide. The RDR-4000 system can be troubleshot from the radar processor's front panel LCD screen. This will assist ground maintenance personnel to quickly identify the source of the faults and corrective actions to keep you flying.